Lucy had always thought her old bicycle, a gift from her grandmother, was ordinary. One day, while cleaning the dusty frame, she noticed a tiny inscription on the handlebars. Turn back to see the past. Pedal forward to glimpse the future. Intrigued, Lucy decided to hop on and pedal backward. Suddenly, the surroundings became a blur. When everything settled, Lucy found herself in a dense, lush jungle. Towering ferns surrounded her, and the distant sounds of the prehistoric world echoed through the air. The atmosphere was thick with mystery and filled with both surprise and curiosity. Lucy began her exploration. Venturing deeper into the jungle on her bicycle, Lucy came face to face with the gentle Triceratops munching on foliage. The sight was mesmerizing. Her journey took an even more thrilling turn when she spotted the majestic Brachiosaurus, its long neck stretched 2 feet from the treetops. But the ground-shaking roar of a nearby Tyrannosaurus rex reminded Lucy of the era's dangers, prompting her to decide it was time to move on. With a deep breath, Lucy began to pedal forward. Her surroundings transformed once again, this time revealing a gleaming, futuristic city. Neon-lit skyscrapers touched the sky, and flying cars left streaks of light as they zipped past. Amazed, Lucy parked her bicycle to wander around. She marveled at the food stalls selling floating ice cream, and even tried on a pair of gravity-defying shoes at a nearby store. As the sun in the futuristic city began its descent, casting the skyline in hues of purple and blue, Lucy realized she longed for the familiarity of her own time. Climbing back onto her bicycle, she pedaled with determination. Eager to return home, the world around her shifted underward, and soon she found herself back in front of her own house. Lucy carefully placed the bicycle back in its usual spot, ensuring it was safe and secure. While she was tempted to share her incredible adventures with everybody, she decided to keep the bicycle's magic a secret, just as her grandmother had. Some stories, she realized, are best kept close to the heart. With every sunset, Lucy would glance at her bicycle, cherishing the memories of her adventures and pondering where it might take her next.